Hi guys, welcome to my channel Defense Neeti. So in this video, we will be discussing regarding the most important topics of general science for defense exams such as CDS, NDA, CAPF. And you already know that the general science plays an important role in defense exams. And we usually get to see around 25 to 35 questions from general science out of physics, chemistry, and biology. Okay, so I guarantee you that you will be getting short questions from these topics and this video. Moving on, a little introduction about me. So this is Preeti Chauhan, and I have graduated in BSc Honours from Biochemistry from Punjab University. I have also post-graduated in MSc Honours Biochemistry from Punjab University as well. And I qualified defense exams around 10 times, out of which I qualified for UPSC CDS 6 times. I also qualified for AFCAT 4 times, and I was also the first rank holder of PGI Paramedical Test 2016. So this was about me. Moving on to the important topics of general science. So first of all, I will be discussing the most important topics of biology, out of which we have vitamins as the most important topics, first and foremost important topic. Vitamins may, the kind of questions we can expect is, first of all, the chemical names of the vitamins. Okay, chemical names of vitamins is very important. Vitamins such as we have vitamin A ka we have retinol. Okay, so vitamin B ka we have thiamine, and likewise we have names for every vitamin we have. So these names are important. Another type of question we can expect from vitamin, which is very important, is vitamins are basically divided into two types, that is fat soluble and water soluble. So the question might come that which of the following vitamin is a fat soluble vitamin and which is water soluble. So water soluble vitamins we have is vitamin B, vitamin C, and fat soluble we have vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. Another most important question which can come is isko star mark kar lijiye. Isme the function of vitamin is extremely important. You should know what importance is there of which vitamin. Function of vitamin, such as vitamin K has a role in blood clotting. Okay, this question has been asked several times in CDS, NDA. Okay, so blood clotting, if asked which of the following vitamin is responsible for blood clotting, then the answer would definitely be vitamin K. Okay, such as vitamin D also has an important role in calcium K absorption. So you should know this, and you should be thorough with the functioning of the vitamin. Another most important question of vitamin is their deficiencies. Okay, which vitamin deficiency leads to which symptom? Okay, so vitamin such as vitamin A's deficiency leads to night blindness, and vitamin B's deficiency leads to beriberi and scurvy, so on. So you should know that the deficiency diseases of various vitamins. Okay, these are some of the type of questions which we can expect for CDS, NDA, and CAPF. And please mark this as a very important topics. Even if you are a BCom student or you are from a non-science background, non-biology background, so even then you can like read this and memorize this topic. Okay, so please do not lose marks. Okay, that would be stupidity on your part, because I am telling you this is very important topic. So another most important topic is diseases and their types, and you will I believe there are high chances of questions coming from these topics. The first most important question which can come from diseases and their types is the types of diseases. Okay, which type of disease they might mention one disease such as measles. Okay, which type of disease is it viral, is it bacterial, is it protozoan? Okay, so such type is it fungal? Okay, so such type of questions might come in exam, and there are high chances of these type of questions coming in exam. So another most important topic which question which can come in exam is symptoms related to various diseases. Okay, so again we can take the example of measles. Okay, so if we have measles, so there must be some symptoms related to this. Okay, so rashes on the body, red rashes on the body, etc. They might give you 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 symptoms again, then you'll have to pick one symptom which is like most obvious and mostly related to this type of disease. Okay, so symptoms are very important, and this is also important topic as per exam point of view. Another most important topic is cell structure. Okay, so the type of question we cell structure, basically the organelles or various organelles in the cells and their functions. All right, so isme the most important organelles are ribosomes, okay? Many a times questions are being asked on ribosomes, its functions, smooth endoplasmic reticulum function, okay? So what is the function of SER? Plastids is one of the favorite topics of CDS, NDA, and CAPF, okay? Plastids, mitochondria. Also, I would like to tell you one more thing, that out of all the organelles, only plastids and mitochondria have their own DNA, okay? Have their own DNA. And this question has been asked many times, so you can sum up this. So also in cell structure, you should know ki which kind of cell wall is there in plants mein, what is it made up of, fungi mein, what is it made up of, okay? So the cell wall composition, you should also know that. And another most important question in this is, I mean, you should know about cell membrane, you know, also nucleus, function of all the cell membranes, which one is double walled cell membrane, okay, double walled cell membrane, which is single walled, etc. Okay, so this is important as per cell structure. Okay, so the another important topic is human blood. Human blood may, okay, human blood may we have WBCs, we have RBCs. Also, human blood may, the question which can come platelets also is important, है ना? So the kind of question which can come in human blood is human blood may, first of all, what is the composition of blood, है ना? That I already told you. WBCs, RBCs, and please pardon my handwriting. It is really bad, so I'll try to fix that in my upcoming videos. And okay, so composition ho gaya, plus the blood groups is extremely important. Okay, blood groups, we have blood group, we have various types of blood group. Blood group A, we have blood group B, we have AB, and we have O. So in may see which one is universal recipient and which one is universal donor, and which blood group can donate to blood to which blood group type person, okay? And who invented this blood group system, who invented. So you should also know these small things, okay? So these who invented blood group. So these are some of the types of questions which are there in human blood, which can come from human blood. And another most important topic we have now is respiratory system. Respiratory system may how is oxygen delivered, how is carbon dioxide delivered, and in what forms they are delivered. Carbon dioxide is also delivered in bicarbonate form, है ना? Is it delivered in via dissolved in, when it is dissolved in blood, okay? This is the type of question which can come in respiratory, from respiratory system. Human excretory system may, first of all, we have excretory organs that are extremely important. Excretory organs, many times the questions have been asked to make an order of excretory organs from top to bottom. Okay, so the type of question which is coming repeatedly in these exams, in defense exams, is, first of all, we have these the kidneys, bean-shaped kidneys. Okay, kidneys, we have kidneys, and we have ureters. Okay, then we have the urinary bladder, and then we have this urethra. So many times the question have been asked, this we need to order, we need to make an order ki from top to bottom, ki what is the order of these excretory organs. So the order would be kidneys from top to bottom, then we have ureters, then we have urinary bladder, and then we have finally urethra. So this is important as per excretory system. And also in excretory system, the excretory organs or excretory organs of other organisms such as platyhelminthes, flatworms, etc. is important, okay? Another most important topic of biology is human nervous system. Okay, so the parts of brains is important. Okay, as per CDS, NDA, and the CAPF point of view, and parts, we have 3 parts of brains: forebrain, midbrain, and then we have the hindbrain. Forebrain may we have what is the most important is cerebrum. So the question which can come up from these these topics is, first of all, the function of these parts of like brain. Okay, cerebrum, what is the function of cerebrum? Okay, what is the function of like medulla oblongata, hai na? What is the function of hypothalamus? Hypothalamus is also known to control hunger, thirst, hai na? Body temperature, hunger, thirst, body temperature, and it is also known as supermaster endocrine gland. supermaster endocrine gland, because it controls the secretion of all the endocrine glands. Okay, so hypothalamus is extremely important. Then we have medulla oblongata, cerebrum, cerebellum. Okay, cerebellum is also associated with the balance of the body. So the balance of the body is controlled by cerebellum, which is the part of we have hindbrains part. Also, ANS and PNS system is important. You know, the sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Okay. Okay. So out of these, voluntary actions, involuntary actions, I hope you are understanding. You know, voluntary, involuntary actions. Which ones are voluntary and which ones are involuntary? So next most important is, please come out this topic. It is extremely important. Endocrine system is the endocrine glands which release hormones. Okay, so endocrine system may we have. Okay, so first and most important question is hypothalamus. I have already told you, supermaster endocrine gland. Then we have pituitary gland. Okay, so it's pituitary gland key hormones. Okay, its secretions, and pituitary gland is also known as master endocrine gland. Okay, master endocrine gland is pituitary gland, and the one which controls the pituitary is supermaster endocrine gland, which is hypothalamus. Okay, so the various types of glands. Okay, unke names. Okay, so this is important as per endocrine system, and also the nature of the hormone. Okay, nature of hormone, be it whether the hormone is peptide in nature, whether it is steroid in nature. They might ask you this question: peptide, steroid. Okay, so this question can come up in the defense exams. So you need to know which organ, which endocrine gland is releasing which hormone. I mean, if they are asking TSH is released by which endocrine gland, so you know that it is released by thyroid gland. Okay. Also, we have various hormones, follicle stimulating hormone. We have a lot of hormones, prolactin. Okay, we have LH, etc. So you need to know this. Okay, if all the hormones and their respective organs from where they are, endocrine glands from where they are released. Okay, and also another most important question is ki, for example, you know that this particular hormone is released from pituitary. So you also need to know that where is pituitary situated. Okay, where is thymus situated? It is also asked in question CDS already. Where is the location of thymus? Okay, the location of pituitary. So you should know the locations of their respective glands, endocrine glands, and their location is extremely important. Moving on, human circulatory system may, the most important questions can be, first of all, a human heart is 4-chambered heart. So which animals or which organisms have 3-chambered hearts? Okay, 2-chambered heart. Which vein is supplying blood to which organ, or which pulmonary vein? Okay, where is it from? Where is it delivering blood to which organ? Or okay, so pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery. These are some of coronary artery. What is the function of coronary artery? You know, so basically, you need to thorough with the circulation. Okay, blood circulation. You know, which artery is supplying blood to which organ, and also renal circulation, hepatic portal system. Okay, you should know this. All right. So moving on, again, this human circulatory system. So plant morphology is another, you can star mark this, okay, double star this. This is extremely important. Plant morphology may, the first most important question can be stem modification. Okay, we have various fruits and various vegetables which are stem modifications, root modifications, types of roots. We have various types of root, napiform, tubi, and we have napiform and others, so on, adventitious root. So the types of roots, plus the root modification. Which one is the root modification, which is stem modification? Plant morphology, you should be knowing the function of various cambiums. Okay, function of cambium, be it intercalary cambium, be it intercalary, auxiliary. Okay, and also cambium function is extremely important. You should know various like morphology, various parts of the plant. Okay, isme the most important, another most important question can be, okay, the function of xylem and phloem. Also, this is extremely important. Xylem and phloem is extremely important. Also, you should be knowing these other tissues, which is parenchyma, CDS, NDA. In CDS, NDA, this question is repeatedly being asked: parenchyma, parenchyma, collenchyma. Okay, so these tissues become extremely important as per exam point of view. Okay, you should not miss this part. And another most important topic which can come from plant morphology is you should know the function and role of these hormones. Okay, plant hormones hai, we also like we have in animals, we also have hormones in plant as well, such as auxins, gibberellins, and we also have cytokinins, we have abscisic acid, ethylene. Okay, so these are important, extremely important, super important as per exam point of view. Please do not miss on these. Okay, you can even like cram these functions or topics. You need not understand. Okay, so next is reproduction. FSH is released by follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone. Then we have a function of testosterone. Okay, the function of this ovaries, fallopian tubes, etc. Also the contraceptives. Okay, what methods are there for contraceptions and reproduction? This much is okay. So moving on to genetics, the father of genetics, first of all, father of genetics. Okay, then we have Mendel's laws, and also we have these pollination, etc., cross pollination, etc., and what product we would get if, for example, we have they would ask what is like dominant genes and what are dominant traits and what are recessive traits. They might give you questions on dominant this trait is dominant in male or this is recessive in female. So इनकी हमने ये cross वो करवा दिया, hybridization करवा दी. What would you get here? Okay, so this type of question can come. Genetics is also important, and you should also know about the various syndromes which are there related to disorders in the genes. Okay, syndromes may we have Down's syndrome. Okay, okay, so what is there in Down's syndrome? What are its symptoms? Klinefelter's syndrome. So we have various syndromes like these. So you should know a little bit about this. So this was about the most important topics of general science for CDS and NDA. Part 2 coming soon. So for that, you need to stay tuned and subscribe the channel. Please like the video and share it with other defense aspirants also. Till then, goodbye.